Okay, we're working on a latch that's not retracting from the inner handle. So I'm assuming the hook thing on the inside is not engaging. Let's get this open and get it fixed. We're just gonna pick this open because this isn't opening it, and then get it fixed. Let's go. And grab my SC1 pick. I have too many. SC1, here we go. Some lubricant. Okay. I think it's 5-pinned. If it's not, we have SC20 also. Doesn't feel the best. A cheap Spartan cylinder. Oh. Yeah. It's a cheap aftermarket cylinder. I don't like the feeling here. Let's go the other way. We can plug spinner back, I guess. It feels better this way. Okay, got it picked. Grab my plug spinner and flip it back. Okay. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, I was getting mixed up. Does it even turn? Let's go my screwdriver. Doesn't even retract. Might need to climb over then. Or can we... I might airbag this and push that in, see if that helps. Where are my airbags? Oh no, I might have lost on the job. There's my hook at least. Okay, a hook. Flathead. I like this flathead better. Let's put in my tool bag. Okay. Let's pry this a bit. See if this will get us in. Yeah, dead latch is still stuck. That did not help at all. Let's do this from the other side then. We're gonna unscrew the bottom and then slowly do everything from the back. Okay, it is unscrewing. Got the bottom screw out. It is moving. Actually, let's try that again. Let's pull the back handle and then try to get in. Damn. It's not releasing. Not good. Still not working. We will climb over and do this, I guess. Okay. Oh. Yeah, not bad. Ooh. Okay. Just gotta release the bottom. Got it out. Oh, it's running away. Okay, so we just gotta unscrew these two screws. That's what holds it in place. Then we can diagnose it. Yeah. Huh. My goodness. Yeah, that came out. Ooh, okay. Gotta replace this. We'll worry about that after. Let's see if we can even turn anything. Huh. So the C-clip fell off. That's not very good. Pull this off. Yeah, I can see through the lock itself. I might need to do a bit of damage to get this out. Get it fixed after, but we're just trying to get the door open. Oh, got it. Okay. So, a center actuator. This thing. Oh, you see that wobble? It's definitely not good. That was the problem with it. Let's grab a new one, get it fixed. Okay, onto my van. Where is my LSD ones? Oops, don't mean to start my vacuum. There we go. We have an extra one just for these problems. Well, let me spin this back. Okay, so this is on the wrong side. Let's fix this. Pull out the C-clip and then reverse this. So to do this, let's pull it out with a little screwdriver. Maybe two screwdrivers. Got it. So I pull it out. And then we're going to reverse this. You see how there's a right? Change it to the left. And then I'm going to hold on to this. Don't want to lose this. Put my foot, my thigh. There we go. So inserts like this. Put it through the hole. The bottom is also going through this hole. Right? Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That is how it works. Then we'll put this back on correctly. Push this in. Yeah. It's a small little C-clip. All easiest to work with. Uh-oh, I might need to move my van. Let's push this in. Yes, got it in place. Now take off the two screws. Where's my screwdriver? Take off the two screws. And then, let's see, did I break it? Nope, still good. Just a set screw on the side that holds this in place. Nothing broken, we are good. The thickness is good. Push, so we're gonna push this in. And then insert the, I don't know, it's called an actuator. I never really know the name of it. Just gonna insert it so it fits. There we go. Now we're going to tighten the screw while pushing this to the end a bit, so it holds in place. Okay. It is tight, not moving. Let's try a screwdriver. Okay. That's good. Pulls all the way in. We are good. Let's install this back. Oh, I don't like this part. Let's see. Other way around. Let's loosen it a bit and then tighten it after we put that on. It's not quite positioned correctly for the paddle. Have it a bit loose. Okay. We're gonna put it in through the correct holes. Okay. We can push our finger through the paddle housing itself and then tighten it. We're gonna try it out, see if it's hard to push the paddle after. We may need to do some adjustments. Next, we're gonna put in the part that interacts with it. It can either be like this or like this. Or the other way around too. Just have to play around with it a bit to see. Okay. Next, this part sits right here. Right? No. Okay. Pull this out. Pull this out like this. Let's see. Let me double check. I'm pushing it. Oh, it's supposed to be this way. So I'm pushing it. Should be like this. My bad. I think. Huh. This is supposed to be up here. Let's see. Should be kind of a diamond shaped. Yeah. Okay, this looks correct. Just pull it back. Nope. Okay. Should be like this then. No. Diamond shaped. Yeah, okay. Ooh, it is so hard to pull. I'm gonna insert the paddle first, and then we'll try it. So, this takes 2 springs down here. One more up there. Oh no, spring fell in. Okay, we're just gonna tighten this first then. Okay. So it's just a little piece of aluminum that holds a spring in so it doesn't move when you push on the paddle. Okay. So it fell in. I'll use a screwdriver to pull it out. Oh, boom. Okay. And the screw in this part. Put the spring in. Use a screw to hold this in place. Where's our screwdriver? Okay. And we're gonna try it out after this. See if it's working. So we're gonna push this, and then this goes through this hole. Oh, that's correct. Nice. It did the right orientation. Okay. We'll now insert the nut back in place. Just one, okay. So there's two areas. We want the nut, the place you can interact with on the bottom. Okay, let's put this in. I'm gonna shake this a bit too. Okay, I'm going inside and try it out. It's working pretty nice. Now we will just lubricate everything. They need a door closure and plates on this. But it is working. Thanks for watching. Okay.